What's up, guys? It's Kylie, aka Kai Quinn. Welcome back to my channel. It's Sunday, which means Miata Day. It's March 5th, 2023. Today, we clear-coated the engine bay and... Oh, that's his engine stand. And the hood. I found this homeless girl right here.
Anyways, it's the real Kai Quinn here. Sorry for the imposter syndrome. So we got the spring and we got it on. Was a little bitch to put on, but we got it on. Yeah. So today I'm hoping to have my entire engine reassembled, my door panels done. Me and Tyler are gonna run to the parts store real quick to get some degreaser, cast aluminum paint, glue gun, and some other fun things. Hayden was just here to take pictures for me, bless his soul. Oh, I forgot my purse is there. Whoopsie.
I'm gonna start walking away.
We got the fun stuff and we got our food.
I feel like I shouldn't move because then the bags will make noises.
Bruh. Okay, so we ate. Now we're gonna sandblast my headlight bezel so I can spray it black, and my oil pan to clean it.
What the fuck did I buy, bro?
We got our bee catcher here. Okay, so Tyler's dad got to figure out the sandblaster real quick. So while he does that, Tyler boiled some water for us. You see that steam? We're gonna wipe away this glue on my door panels. This water is hot as fuck.
Huh?
I said this water is hot as fuck.
It's fresh.
Ah, fuck. I'm burning myself. Okay. Okay, you guys are gonna miss this part. Ah, it's spitting. The sandblaster did its job. So I'm the worst and totally forgot to record me spraying it, but this is the first coat so far. Just let that dry.
Sean, I guess you get this one.
So I'm gonna be driving the Mustang.
Put it in first.
Put it in first?
Yeah.
Okay, it's in first.
Is it in gear?
Yeah?
Oh, okay.
I kind of broke Tyler's car. It's overheating. Sorry, Tyler.
I don't care. That's what it's meant for.
Door panels are drying. Once that's done, we'll put the fabric on, but yeah. I'm gonna be
Oh my gosh. You got your glove? Okay.
We ran out of sand. I'm spraying the greaser on it. We're gonna hit it with a wire brush and then spray that off. Okay, so this is with me scrubbing it a bit. Gotta get down there, but BRB. Quick update. Gotta spray it with the cast aluminum. So right now I'm cleaning the intake manifold so we can spray it and match the oil pan color. Don't cut towards yourself, guys. I'm an idiot. Okay, the first piece. We got 3M headliner adhesive. Ooh. Spider-Man does whatever a spider can.
Bro. Good. Watch your hand. Oh my gosh.
I'm fine.
It gives me anxiety.
He'll be aight. Alright, so first side done. I just need to do the handle and other side. Okay, so the handle's not looking as pretty as the door panels are, but getting there. Just waiting for a staple gun, so that will be next time. What for you will be right now. All right, so Sean brought us over the staple gun. I went ahead and stapled 2 times already. I just want to make these tight so it looks nicer, so let's get in there.
I ain't tryna, I ain't tryna, I ain't tryna. Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know a bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always drop first.
Okay, so here's the finished product. Looks good if I do say so myself. Now to do this one.
Bobby, I don't wanna go with the flow back then until I touch my toes. I don't wanna roll to go. Wrist full of rocks and I hope I flow. Big up yourself cause you know they don't. I chew cause they hope I show. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a bitch and a boss.
Okay, so door handles are done, both sides. Door panels are done. I gotta get my hot glue gun from home for tomorrow so we can glue these on and get batteries so we can see how they look. And then I'm back in the car. Okay, so almost done reassembling my engine. Just need to put the alternator bracket back on with the alternator, the intake manifold support, valve cover. That's going to be last so it doesn't get dirty. Gotta put the belts back on, of course, and then drop it in with the clutch and the flywheel. And then we should be good to go. Okay, so before putting my door panels back on, let's see if I can do this. Great. I lost the fucking screw in the door again. Recording? Can you record?
I am right now.
I was about to say.
I took a break because my hands were freezing.
I just burnt the fuck out of my hand.
Dumbass.
How we liking it?
Looks good. It literally meets up with the other part like perfectly.
Alright, so driver's side's done. Look how pretty it looks. My interior's coming back together. Look at that. Now time to do the passenger. And here's our recorder. I need that. Ow. Just smacked my finger.
Dumbass.
My hands are so cold.
Dude, my feet are freezing. I literally can't feel them.
That's alright, you got it.
I'm gonna die, cause of death, working on Kylie's Miata.
Listen, you'll be aight. I've been doing this all winter.
Oh my god, bro. Is that one going in?
Yes.
Thank god.
Woo! You got it. There we go.
Let there be light.
Looks so pretty. Okay, so the alternator's on, brackets are on, throttle body is clean. The squishmallow.
So you'll have all the wires tucked away and hidden.
Everything's masked off. So you can
Yeah,
clean
I'm gonna put
everything.
padding down.
Everything's pretty much reassembled right here. Just missing the valve cover, which is going to be last. Serpentine belt. The headers, which is getting cleaned by Tyler's dad's friend. And obviously the clutch and flywheel, which we're going to put on once it's hanging out. So, this is so exciting. It's off the stand, guys. This is an 18 socket. I'm just gonna take this off. Now I'm changing it to a 16. Got it.
Yeah.
My clutch is from Excetti. This looks so nice. Ooh, so much life. My nail artist hates me. Off camera, but we put the flywheel on for the most part. Just gotta put goop on it. Nice. We got the clutch on. I just need to tighten the bolts around it. And the throwout bearing, got a new one here. But we're gonna wait to put this in when we drop the motor in. So the clutch is on. Woo! So now we're gonna push my car in before it starts raining.
Push it to the limit. Walk.
Okay, so car is back inside. Got the engine. Okay, so next time when I see you guys, we'll be putting my engine back in, plugging everything, installing my headlights, accessories, wiring, hiding the wires, making everything look nice, putting on my valve cover, filling it with fluids, of course. I gotta put oil in it. I got a new fuel filter also that I gotta change. We're also going to be lowering my car more, so that's exciting. Forgot to add, we're also raising my motor. Obviously, once we put the engine back in, the hood will be back on also, and it'll be a complete car. But long story short, the engine's done. That's crazy. In just 4 months, I took apart my entire car and put it back together. And once this is done, it's not the end of the Miata's journey, because I still plan on doing more stuff to it. I also got a new soft top. I'm not going to be installing it because the first time I did it was lots of grunts and cursing. So I don't feel like going through that again. My friend works at an interior shop, so he's gonna have it done for me. Thank you again to Tyler's dad and Tyler and their friend Sean, who's been helping me. And on that note, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.
I'm a bitch and a boss, I'm a shine like glass, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss.
We'll see you next time.